Over 100 million animals, mice, rats, cats, rabbits, monkeys, and many more among others, are killed in U.S. laboratories for chemical, drug, food, and cosmetics testing every year.
Most rodeo events rely on creating a stressful environment for the domesticated and often docile animals involved. Participants rely on harsh handling practices, an example, twisting calves' tails or painful electric shocks to make animals perform. 68% of battered women revealed that abusive partners had also been violent toward pets or livestock. 25% of dogs and cats get adopted from shelters every year.
There are 5 million animal shelters nationwide.
If you see an animal being abused, immediately call 911 and report what is going on.
I'm Brianna, and stop the animal abuse.
I'm Greg, and stop the animal abuse.
I'm Vishnavi, and stop the animal abuse.